Hello, welcome back to Family Adventures. In this video we're going to show you a quick and easy way how to make magnetic monster slime. We'll show you the easy to get ingredients you'll need and exactly how to do it. You won't believe how easy it is. Okay, so here's what we need. Some PVA glue, shaving foam, eye wash. It doesn't really matter what brand, but the ingredient you're looking for is sodium borate. We've got some glitter and some food colouring and the magnetic ingredients. There's a couple of different things you can use. Here we've got some magnetite powder and some iron filings. You only need one of these, and we've got a magnet to play with the slime once we made it. We put some links in the description below where you can get the magnetic items from. And of course, something to mix it in. It won't stain your bowl, but it's probably best not to tell your wife if you're using a good one. Okay, down to business. Put a good squirt of PVA in the bowl. And then a big squirt of shaving foam. Mix it together. As I'll be using the magnetite powder for this slime, it will make the slime look pretty much black. So there's no point in adding any food colouring. However, a bit of glitter will make it look great. I'm going to add some red glitter and give it a good mix up. Once the glitter is mixed in, it's time to add some magnetite. I'm going to add about a teaspoon. The more you add, the more attracted to a magnet it will be, so it's worth experimenting. This would be the same for the iron filings. Give that a good mix up. Okay, now we're ready for the magic ingredients. You only need to add a few drops to the mix. Here I'm probably using about half a teaspoon. Give it another good mix and you'll very quickly feel it get firm and sticky. Once it's kind of stuck together as one lump, take it out of the bowl and work it between your hands. You'll feel it get firm, stretchy and become less sticky. And there we have it, making magnetic slime the easy way. Now let's test it. If you find your slime is still a bit sticky, add a few more drops of eye wash. If you find it is firm and easily snaps, you've probably added a bit too much eye wash. So, I hope you've enjoyed our magnetic monster slime tutorial. If you have, give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment below telling us what you added to yours. Bye bye.
If you like the video, if you want to see more, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe by clicking this button or clicking the button below. You also can click the pictures above for more family adventures. Bye bye.